$100 and I'm a first-time driver, I would get some windshield washer solvent. A lot of beginners forget that. And then if it's snowing or there's dust, you need this. Next, I would get the cheapest antifreeze. It is poisonous. You could kill someone. Don't have it around your little brother or sister. You need at least a gallon. Most cars today, you need to change your antifreeze every 4 or 5 or 6 years. But if you got an older car, you guys are gonna have a piece of junk. You need this. I would get the cheapest oil. This is more high performance. It costs more. I would get the no-name oil. It's cheaper. I would get the no-name oil. Yes, get that. Next, I would get one of these because you're a first-time driver.
If you break down,
If you break down.
you can walk to a gas station.
Right. This is
get a little
cheap.
bit of gas just to get to the gas station.
Just to get there. You don't need a metal can, okay? Plastic. Get this. Next, I would get some gloves. The cheaper pair, right, to protect your hands. I would get gloves. I would, yes, I would get an ice scraper to scrape it. To scrape your window in the morning because you're going to be too lazy and too tired. I would buy some jumper cables. These are the cheaper kind, but you need this. I would get these. If you have a flat tire,
You need a tire maintenance kit.
100%, you got to have that tire maintenance kit. You need that to help you. What else? Just looking through, definitely need some tail light bulbs. You maybe need a little paper funnel for oil. I think, WD-40 for squeaks. You need this. Real good, real easy. Brake fluid, and then a fix-a-flat, just in case you have a screw or nail in your tire. That's it.